hello. I didn't see you there. Well, I hear you're having some trouble with your seating charts. You're trying to have students sit in multiple places, but you don't want to rebuild a seating chart from scratch each time. Well, let me show you a really quick and easy way that you can make multiple seating charts based on a template right here in PowerSchool. So here we are in PowerSchool. So I'm going to select a class that I want to create for which I want to create a new seating chart. So let's use period 3. I'm going to go over all the way here. You can see it says seating chart tab, and I'm going to select that. And then, of course, as we all know, we go to seating chart design to design our seating charts. Now, here's a thing many people may not know, is that this little box right here, you can have multiple layouts and multiple seating charts for a single class. So the thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select this seating chart and I'm going to go to new layout. Now, whenever I have multiple layouts, I like to just usually name them by the day. I did this a lot last year when I didn't know who was coming into my class. So if you want to, you can put down here class, fish, bowl, whatever, if you want to describe the activity. And the key thing to make this quicker is this source button down here. So I'm going to click start from a pre-existing layout, and then I'm going to click next. Now it's going to ask me what layout do I want to use. So I'm going to select the current school year, which is going to appear here as semester 1. And I'm going to select the class I want. So whatever room you want to redo your seating chart for. And now you want to unselect this button right here, because if you don't, it will put all of your students back in their original seats. If you want to do that, that's fine. But if you want to start from a blank layout, you unclick that box and then click finish. And now I have a beautiful blank seating chart. And I can just then grab the students and move them to wherever you want to rearrange them. So if Tanner's over here, Aiden. So you can do that very, very quickly by just going up to new layout. Or let's say I only have a couple of kids that are switched just for that day. Well, I can do new layout, same thing. We won't save these. Call it September 14th. We're going to do the same thing. If you want to give it a description, you can. Source, start from a pre-existing layout. Next, select the school year, which is going to be this year, semester 1, right at the top. Course, the same thing, but now I'm going to leave this blank, or I'm going to leave this box checked. If the student appears on both layouts, they're going to stay in the same seat. So now I'm going to hit finish, and now I have a copy of my layout with everybody there as it was before. So now let's say I just want to Luke and Tanner switch spots that day. I can select both of them. I can switch them around, save the layout, and now I have a copy of a September 14th layout, and I have my normal layout, which is right here under new layout. So here's my standard seating chart, the one I made with the switch for the day. And of course, if you want to remove more people than that, you can just click the boxes, X them out, bring them back to this staging area, and then you can move them back into your seating chart wherever you want. So if you are needing to make changes to your seating chart and you don't want to build it all over again from scratch, this is a very handy way to do that. And you can have as many different names of seating charts per class as you want. I say that because I had, I think, about 40 of them last year. I made a new seating chart each day for each class. Well, I hope this video was helpful. I found multiple seating charts to be very helpful for me, whether I'm putting kids in different groups or with COVID needing to do contact tracing. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope this helps you out a little bit.